भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा sambuddhassa. So today we are going to discuss or read. We are going to read Magha Sutta. So I will share the screen so everybody can read. Magha Sutta. This is a sutta from Sutta Nipata, and it is from the third part of Sutta Nipata, that is Mahavagga. In the third part is the fifth sutta, Magha Sutta. Magh is a person. So Buddha is talking with that person called Magha. Magh is also a month in the Indian calendar. It is the 11th month, which generally comes in February. So here the name of the person is Magha. So I have heard, Evam me sutam. At one time, the Buddha was staying near Rajagaha on the Vulture's Peak mountain. Ekan samayang bhagava Rajagahe vihrati gijjakute pabbate. Then the student Magh approached the Buddha and exchanged greetings with him. So here is a comment. Magh, the descendant of Magh, is here associated with the quality of generosity from the Vedic word Magh as gift, bounty. Maghav is the name of a Sakka, since he was at one time a Brahmin student named Magha. This passage immediately precedes one that extols his generosity. A god named Magha appears in Samyukta Nikaya 2.3, although not associated with generosity. Finally, the good king of MN 83 is named Maghadeva, god of bounty. Athakho Magho Manavo Ena Bhagava Tena Upasankamitva Bhagavata Saddhim Sammodi. When the greetings and polite conversation were over, he sat down to one side. Sammodaniyam katham saraniyam viti saretva ekamantam nisidi, and said to the Buddha, Ekamantam nisinno kho magho manavo bhagavantam etadavocha. I am a giver, worthy Gotama, a donor. I am bountiful and committed to charity. Ahani bho Gotama, dayako danapati, vadanyu yachayogo. I seek wealth in a principled manner. Dhammena bhoge pareyesami. And with that legitimate wealth, I give to one person, to two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 people, or even more. Dhammena bhoge pariyesitva. Dhammaladhehi bhogehi. Dhammadhigatehi ekassapi dadami. Dvinnampi, Tinnampi, Chatunampi, Panchanampi, Channampi, Sattanampi, Attannampi, Navannampi, Tasannampi, Dadami, Visayapi, Tinsayapi, Chattalisayapi, Pannasayapi, Dadami, Sattassapi, Dadami, Bhiyopi, Dadami. Giving and sacrificing like this, worthy Gotama, do I accrue much merit? Kachaham bho Gotama, evam dadanto, evam yajanto, bahum punyam pasavamiti. Indeed you do, student. Taggatvam manava, evam dadanto, evam yajanto, bahum punyam pasavasi. A giver or donor who is bountiful and committed to charity. Yokho manava dayako danapati vadanyu yachayogo. Who seeks wealth in a principled manner. Tammena bhoge pariyesati. and with that legitimate wealth gives to one person or up to 100 people or even more, accrues much merit. धम्मेन भोगे परिये सित्वा धम्मलब्धे हि भोगे हि धम्माधिगते हि एकस्सपि ददाति सतस्सपि ददाति भियोऽपि ददाति बहुंसो पुण्यं प्रसवति इति. Then Magh addressed the Buddha in verse. Athakho Magho Manavo Bhagavantam Gathaya Ajjabhasi. I asked the bountiful Gautama, Uchchamaham Gautamam Vadanyu, said Magh. Iti Magho Manavo, wearing an ochre robe, wandering homeless, Kasaya Vasim Agaham Charantam. Suppose a landowner who is committed to charity, Yo ya chayo danapati ghatho, makes a sacrifice seeking merit, looking for merit. Punyathiko yajati punyapekho, giving food and drink to others here. Tadam paresam ida annapanam, how is their offering purified? Katham hutam yajamanassa sujje. Suppose a landowner who is committed to charity, Yo ya chayo danapati ghatho, replied the Buddha. Maghati Bhagava makes a sacrifice, seeking merit, looking for merit. Punyathiko yajati punyapekho, giving food and drink to others here. Tadam paresam idha annapanam, such a one would succeed due to those who are worthy of donations. Aradhaye dakhinneye bhitadi. Suppose a lay donor who is committed to charity. Yoya chayo go danapati ghatho, said Magh. Iti magho mano, makes a sacrifice, seeking merit, looking for merit. Punyathiko yajati punyapekho, giving food and drink to others here. Tadam Paranam, explain to me who is worthy of donations. Akhahime Bhagava Dakhineye, those who wander the world unattached. Eve asatta vicharanti loke, consummate, self-controlled, owning nothing. Akinchana kevalino yatatta. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu Abhyam paveche, should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo brahmano punyapekho yajetha. Those who have cut off all fetters and bonds. E sabba sanyojana bandhana chida. Tamed, liberated, untroubled, with no need for hope. Danta vimutta Anigha nirasa. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu abhyam paveche, should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo brahmano punyapekho yajetha. Those who are released from all fetters. E sabba sanyojana vipamutta, tamed, liberated, untroubled, with no need for hope. Danta vimutta anigha nirasa. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu abhyam paveche, should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo brahmano punyapekho yajetha. Having given up greed, hate and delusion, ragancha dosancha pahaya moham, with defilements ended, the spiritual journey completed. Khinasava usita brahmacharya. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu abhyam paveche, should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo brahmano punyapekho yajetha. Those in whom dwells no deceit or conceit. Esu namaya vasati namano, with defilements ended, the spiritual journey completed. Khinasava usita brahmacharya. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu habhyam paveche, should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano Punyapekho Yajetha. Those rid of greed, unselfish, with no need for hope. Evitalobha amama nirasa. With defilements ended, the spiritual journey completed. Khinasava usita brahmacharya. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu habhyam paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano Punyapekho Yajetha. Those not fallen prey to cravings. Evena Tanhasu Upatipanna. Who, having crossed the flood, live unselfishly. Vitareya Ogham Amamacharanti. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu habhyam paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano punyapekho yajetha. Those with no craving at all in the world. Esam tanaha nathi kuhinchi loke. For any state of existence in this life or the next. Bhava bhavaya idhavahuram va. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu habhyam paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano punyapekho yajetha. Those who have left sensuality behind, wandering homeless, ekame hitva agaha charanti, self-controlled, straight as a shuttle, susanyatatta tasaram va ujum. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu habhyam paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano Punyapekho Yajetha. Those free of greed, with senses stilled. Evitaraga Susamahita Indriya. Like the moon released from the eclipse. Chandovarahu Gahana Pamutta. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena Tesu Habhyam Paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano Punyapekho Yajetha. Those calm ones, free of greed and anger. Samita Vino Vitaraga Akopa, for whom there are no destinies, being rid of them in this life. Esam Gati Nathidha Vipahaya. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kale Natesu Habhyam Paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano Punyapekho Yajetha. They have given up rebirth and death completely. Jahitva jati maranam asesam, and have gone beyond all indecision. Kathang kathing sabbamupativatta. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kale natesu habhyam paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano Punyapekho Yajetha. Those who live as their own island. Eyattadipa Vicharanti Loke. Everywhere free, owning nothing. Akinchana Sabbadhi Vipamuta. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena Tesu Habhyam Paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo Brahmano Punyapekho Yajetha. Those here who know this to be true. Ye heta jananti yatha tatha idam. This is my last life. There are no future lives. Ayamanti manathi punabhavoti. That is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tesu habhyam paveche should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo brahmano punyapekho yajetha. A knowledge master, loving absorption, mindful. Yo vedagu jhanarato satima, who has reached awakening and its refuge for many. Sambodhipatto saranang bahunang, that is where a Brahmin seeking merit. Kalena tamhi habhyam paveche, should bestow a timely offering as sacrifice. Yo brahmano punyapekho yajetha. Clearly, my questions were not in vain. Adha amogha mama puchana ahu, said Magha. Iti Magho Manavo. The Buddha has explained to me who is worthy of donations. Akhasi me bhagavadakhineye. You are the one here who knows this to be true. Tvanhetha janasi yatha tatha idam. For truly you understand this matter. Tatha hite vidito esa dhammo. Suppose a lay donor who is committed to charity. Yo yacha yogo danapati gahatho, makes a sacrifice seeking merit, looking for merit. Punyathiko yajati punyapekho, giving food and drink to others here. Dadam paresam idha annapanam, explain to me how accomplish the sacrifice. Akhahi me bhagavayanya sampadam, sacrifice and holding so. Yajassu yajamano, replied the Buddha, Maghati Bhagava. Be clear and confident in every way. Sabbathacha vipasadehi chittam. Sacrifice is the ground standing upon which arammanam yajamanasayanyo, the sacrifice shades their flaws. Ithapatithaya jahati dosam, one free of greed, rid of anger. So vitarago pavineyadosam, developing a heart of limitless love. Mettam chittam bhavayam appamanam, spreads that limitlessness in every direction. Ratindivam satatam appamatto, ever diligent day and night. Sabbadisa Farati appamanyam, who is purified, freed, awake. Ko sujjati, mucchati, bhajjati cha. How can one go to the realm of divinity oneself? Kena attana gacchati brahmalokam. I do not know. So please tell me when asked. Ajanato me buni bruhi puttho. For the Buddha is the divinity I see in person today. Bhagavahi me sakhi brahma jaditho. To us, you are truly the equal of divinity. Tuvan hino brahma samosi sacham. Splendid one, how is one reborn in the realm of divinity? Katham upapajjati brahmalokam jutima. One who accomplishes the sacrifice with three modes. Yo yajati tividham yanya sampadam, replied the Buddha. Maghati Bhagava. Such a one would succeed due to those who are worthy of donations. Aradhaye dakhineye bhitadi, sacrificing like this, one rightly committed to charity. Evam yajitva sammayacha yogo, is reborn in the realm of divinity, I say. Upapajjati brahmalokanti brumiti. When he had spoken, the student Mark said to the Buddha, Evam utte magho manavo bhagavantam etadavocha. Excellent worthy Gautama, excellent abhikantam bho Gautama. From this day forth, may the worthy Gautama remember me as a lay follower who has gone for refuge for life. अज्जतग्गे पाणुपेतं शरणं गतन्ति माघसुत्तं पंचमम्. So like this, this sutta goes like this. There is a Brahmin student named Magha. Of an arhat, you should donate to him. And you should do sacrifice by practicing metta and giving donation to the arhats. So the metta meditation is mentioned here. The Sutta Nipata is a way in which early discourses of the Buddha, immediately after enlightenment, Buddha gave some discourses. So these discourses are covered in Sutta Nipata. So it mentions metta meditation many times. But surprisingly, Anapana meditation is not mentioned in this book. I think Buddha later developed this Anapana meditation. So mainly meditation mentioned in Sutta Nipata is metta meditation. And he also asked the way to go to Brahmaloka. And then Buddha also again tells him that you give donations to the purified persons and then you can go to Brahmaloka. So this is the sutta about the qualities of an arhat who is free of from all types of defilements, who has no hopes, no desires, like this. Qualities of arhats are mentioned. Do you have any questions?
Thank you, sir. It is a very good sutta talking about generosity practice
Yeah.
and cutting off lower fetters.
Yeah.
Nanda madam, do you want to share something?
So it is a brilliant sutta. As you said, I was very impressed that this sutta mentions about loving kindness, and as mentioned, the renouncing the lower fetters, which actually most lay people can do quite easily to accumulate very good karma, and also as a result very easy to practice the meditation, and with twin siksha, the jhanas as well. It is a brilliant sutta, I thought, short and sweet and straight to the point. Thank you very much indeed, Dr. Major.
Chaya madam, do you want to share something?
Not really anything, but I'm very thankful to listen to this sutta because it gave us a little light about the right how to donate and where to donate. At times we really feel that we want to donate something, but donating in the donations should go in the right direction. So that is what I understood from this sutta, that and that's how it will take us to higher lokas. So thank you very much, sir, for reading us this very beautiful sutta to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
So these days, arhants are not available to us, but we can donate to Sangha. In one sutta, Buddha has said that giving donation to Sangha is also more fruitful than giving donation to arhants. So our TWIM community is our Sangha, and we can earn merits by giving donations to for the spread of TWIM.
Yes, sir, that's exactly what I was saying, that donations going in the right direction. For us right now, what is accessible to us is the Sangha. So, and that is the right medium for us. So, yes, thank you so much.
Sir, shall I share the sharing merit, sir?
Yes, you can read the sharing of merits.
Yes,
Okay.
I am sharing the screen. May suffering ones be suffering free, and the fear struck fearless be. May the grieving shed all grief, and may all beings find relief. And may all beings share this merit that we have thus acquired for the acquisition of all kinds of happiness. May beings inhabiting space and air, devas and nagas of mighty power, share this merit of ours. May they long protect the Buddha's dispensation. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Uh, Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thanking you all. Wishing all happiness.